Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Chevrolet has completely redesigned this iconic pickup truck, blending rugged capability with modern technology, making it one of the most exciting trucks of the year. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Silverado 1500 gets a bold, muscular new look. The front grille has been enlarged, giving it a more aggressive stance, while the LED headlights are sleek and high-tech. You'll notice sharper body lines and a slightly wider stance compared to the previous model, enhancing both aesthetics and stability. Chevy also offers new wheel options, ranging from 18 to 22 inches, so you can customize your truck to fit your style. Moving to the interior, Chevrolet has stepped up the comfort and tech game. The cabin is modern, spacious, and driver-focused. You'll find high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a new center console layout that's highly practical. The 2026 Silverado 1500 comes standard with an 11-inch touchscreen infotainment system, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system on higher trims. For convenience, there's wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and an optional head-up display. Seating is incredibly comfortable with available ventilated and heated options for both front and rear passengers. Under the hood, the 2026 Silverado 1500 offers multiple engine choices to suit different needs. You have the base 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, a 5.3-liter V8, and a 6.2-liter V8 for those who need serious towing power. There's also a new hybrid powertrain option, combining performance and efficiency. The towing capacity ranges from 9,000 pounds on the base models to over 13,000 pounds on the V8 variants, making this pickup perfect for work or weekend adventures. The Silverado also features an advanced trailering system with cameras and sensors, so backing up with a trailer has never been easier. When it comes to safety, Chevrolet has loaded the 2026 Silverado 1500 with standard and optional tech. Expect features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These additions make it one of the safest full-size pickups on the market. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 starts at around $42,000 for the base work truck model. The mid-range LT and RST trims come in between $47,000 and $55,000, while the premium high country and ZR2 trims push closer to $65,000, depending on options. Considering the advanced technology, powerful engine options, and rugged design, it's a competitive price for a full-size pickup in 2026. So, that's a complete overview of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With its bold design, powerful engines, advanced technology, and top-notch safety, this truck is ready to dominate both the streets and the worksite. If you're in the market for a new pickup, the Silverado 1500 should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Updater for more updates on the latest vehicles hitting the market. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll take an in-depth look at some of the Silverado's top trim levels and performance features.